Chasewater Reservoir and Country Park, nestled between Burntwood, Brownhills and Norton Keynes in Staffordshire, England, offers a rich blend of history, natural beauty and recreational activities. Established in 1797 as Norton Pool, the reservoir was created to supply water to the Worley and Essington Canal, supporting the region's industrial growth. After a dam breach in 1799, it was reconstructed and continued to play a vital role in canal operations. Over time, the area transitioned from industrial use to a public amenity, becoming a country park in 1998. The park spans approximately 360 hectares, including a 90-hectare reservoir. It encompasses diverse habitats such as wet lowland heathland, fens and oligotrophic pools. These environments support a variety of flora and fauna, including rare species like the floating water plantain and round-leaved wintergreen. Chasewater Country Park caters to a wide range of interests. The reservoir is popular for sailing, water skiing, wakeboarding, and angling. Numerous paths are available for walking, running and cycling, suitable for all ages. The Chasewater Railway offers rides on vintage steam and diesel trains, providing a nostalgic experience. The park is a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, with opportunities to observe deer, newts and various bird species. Visitors can enjoy amenities such as a cafe, children's play area, toilets, and the Chasewater Innovation Centre, which hosts exhibitions and events throughout the year. Located just off the A5, the park is easily accessible by car with on-site parking. Public transport options connect the park to nearby towns and cities, making it convenient for visitors. Chasewater Reservoir and Country Park offers a unique combination of historical significance, ecological diversity, and recreational opportunities, making it a valuable destination for both locals and tourists.
Hi.
Brownhills West Railway Station is the western terminus of the Chasewater Railway, a heritage line running through Chasewater Country Park in Staffordshire. Originally part of the Cannock Chase and Wolverhampton Railway, built in the 1880s to serve the local coal industry, the line closed to passengers in 1930 and fully in the 1960s. It was later revived by volunteers who rebuilt Brown Hills West as the main station. Today, it offers scenic rides on vintage steam and diesel trains, along with a small museum, cafe and events throughout the year, celebrating the area's rich industrial and railway history.
Już tuda, nie można tuda.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please consider a like, share and subscribing so that you can stay updated with future videos.